name is Mariam Nadeem, ID number 18287. So today our presentation topic is Surah Hujurat. So first we know that what is Surah Hujurat. Surah Hujurat tell us we should not raise our voice when we are in the presence of the Prophet, because it is rude and impolite act. So now I'm gonna explain Surah Hujurat verse 10. إنما المؤمنون إخوة فاصلحوا بين أخوين أخويكم واتقوا الله لعلكم ترحمون. Indeed, the believer are brothers, therefore make peace between your brother and the prayers that you may receive mercy and the forgiveness of God. Which means verse 10 of Surah Hujurat says that the believer are like brothers to one another, therefore they should not dispute with one another, but rather than they should make peace with one another. 6 of Surah Hujurat, Ya ayyuhallazina amanu in ja'akum fasiqun binaba'in fatabayyanu an tusibu qauman bijahalatin fatusbihu ala ma fa'allatum nadimin. Which means, O you who believe, if a transgressor gives you some news, verify it lest you unknowledgely harm a people, then regret over that which you did. This verse was revealed when the noble prophet sent Walid ibn Uqba to collect zakat from the Banu Mustaqbil tribe. When Banu Mustalik found out the prophet representative is coming, they went to welcome and receive him. 17 verse of Surah Hujurat is Yamunnuna alayka an aslamu qul la tamunnu alayya islamakum balillahu yamunnu alaykum an hadakum lil imani in kuntum sadiqin. Which means they regret their acceptance of Islam as a favor to you. Tell them, O Prophet, do not regret your Islam as a favor to me. Rather, it is Allah who has done you a favor by guiding you to the fight. If needed, you are fightful.